Now just taking your seat and getting comfortable.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
Allowing the body to relax as best you can, but seeing if you can sit in a way that brings some degree of focus or poise into the body as well. Just kind of experimenting with what that would feel like in the body.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
If you prefer to leave your eyes open, just letting the gaze rest somewhere in front of you, not searching around the room. Or just closing the eyes completely. And just sitting here, allowing the chair to fully support the weight of your body, but keeping some degree of lifted quality or focus quality in the body as well. Not fully slouching. And now, as a way of really beginning to focus the mind, we're going to count our exhalations only, letting the inhalations happen as they will. And just counting the exhalations up to 5, and then starting over from 1 again. Allowing the inhalations to just happen, focusing the mind on the counting of the exhalations. Giving the counting of your exhalations your full attention. Trying not to mindlessly go beyond 5, but starting back at 1. Letting everything else, even my voice, just fade into the background for now as you count the breath. And now seeing if you can make the numbers stretch through the entirety of the out-breath. Long, slow numbers in your mind, riding the duration of the out-breath.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
And when the mind becomes distracted and maybe you lose count, simply beginning again from 1. Staying with the counting of your out-breaths as best you can for just a few more moments. Letting nothing else be as important right now than this counting of your out-breaths.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
And now, just seeing if you can shift your awareness from counting the out-breaths to actually feeling them. feeling the movement of air out through the nostrils, the lowering through the chest and the belly. Allowing the in-breaths to just happen on their own, and focusing your awareness on the feeling of the out-breath as best you can.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
And then just letting go of that focused awareness and just sitting here for a couple more moments, just breathing. And then as the meditation ends, just taking a few moments here on your own, just moving the body however would feel good.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
This is the Finding Balance in the Present meditation. So just getting yourself more or less situated in a sitting upright position can sometimes be helpful for this kind of meditation, to have your feet on the ground, just kind of evenly spaced, evenly balanced. And just kind of beginning to feel into that sense of your feet just on the floor, just right here, right now. Here we are, just sitting here and breathing. Our feet aren't back in the past or forward in the future. No, that's kind of ridiculous. Our feet are just right here, right now, in the present, on the ground. And we're just practicing kind of coming into this sense of just being right here, right now, just sitting here and breathing. Maybe noticing how your mind wants to keep bringing you into the past or propelling you into the future. We're not going to fight that mind. We're just going to keep redirecting our awareness for right now just to that sense of feet on the ground. So it's more a redirection of your awareness rather than a fight against the thoughts. Right here, right now, feet on the ground and just sitting here and breathing. So when we get in our minds too much in the past or too much in the future, that's really what causes us to lose our mental balance. Just like in the body, if you lean too far to the right or to the left, you'll fall over, you'll lose your balance. You can understand balance in the mind as that as well. Too far to the past, too far to the future, we lose our balance.
And find your inner peace.
So let's find our balance again, just right here in the present. The sensations of breath, the sensations of body and chair, sensations of feet on ground. Just this, just for now. Just this, just for now. Can you notice how when your mind wants to bring you back into the past or forward in the future, a lot of times it comes as imagery. You see yourself in the past doing something, or you imagine yourself in the future. You see yourself in the future doing other things. Isn't that interesting that it comes a lot of times in a form of imagery? You see yourself in the past or the future. It's helpful to note this because then we can really see how the past and the future is just really a part of our imagination. We're imagining it. We're making it up on some level of the mind. What's really real right now is right now. Right here, right now. The sensations of breath.
Breathe in deeply and find your inner peace.
The sensations of body and chair, of feet on ground. Just this, just for now. Balance in the present. You lose your balance by veering back to the past, forward to the future. Just like as happens in the body when we lean too far to the front or back or whatever it is, the body then does something to reclaim its balance. It works, it efforts. Can we do that on the level of mind as well? Not just letting your mind lose its balance, but when you notice teetering off to the past or the future, engaging again in the present. Sensations of breath, of body, of feet on ground. Right here, right now. So as the guidance comes to an end, you can either, of course, stay in your sitting practice, but whenever it's your time to get up, seeing if you can then lean into your new present experience, even if it's doing a chore or going to work or whatever it is. Can you lean into find your new sense of balance in your new present moment experience? That's really a practice of mindfulness.